Hi, it's Renee with LCS Heating and Cooling. Let's talk about heat pumps today. So heat pumps are a very efficient and excellent choice when looking at a new HVAC system, but sometimes they can be misunderstood. So we're going to talk about some realistic expectations if you have an all-electric home in the winter. So down to about 30 degrees outside, heat pumps are very efficient. Once it gets below 30 degrees, down to about 10 degrees, they need some help. And so that's where your backup electric comes into play. So this is also your electric furnace. It can be called an air handler. It all means the same thing, but that's going to come on and supplement the heat pump. Now, once it's below 10 degrees outside, your heat pump is pretty much useless. So that electric furnace is running on its own to heat your home. Now, why does this matter? What does it mean to you? Well, it affects your utility bill. And so a heat pump takes about 6 to 12 amps to effectively run. Your electric furnace is going to run more on 20 to 22 up to 80 to 85 amps depending on its size. So if you think about that for a minute, if your heat pump is running, your electric bill may be a couple $100s a month. If it is not running, that electric furnace, which again is anywhere between that 20 and 80 amps on average, it's going to cost a lot more. Your utility bill could be as high as $700, $800, $900 for that month. And so if you have an all-electric home, it's why it's really important to have a heat pump paired with your electric furnace instead of just an air conditioner. Because most of the time in Indiana, we're gonna be around 30 degrees or a little bit higher, and so you'll have that efficient heat pump running. Now, if you have gas service, a dual fuel system, which is a heat pump and that gas furnace, it's a great option too. During those milder winter times, you get the efficiency of the heat pump, but when it gets really cold outside, you get the warmth of your gas furnace, and it's a little more cost effective than that electric service. If you have any questions about heat pumps or if it's a good fit for your home, reach out to us. You can find us at lcsheatingandcooling.com.